Hello, today we are going to show you one of the new 5G NR features we are bringing up in Qualcomm Lab in collaboration between Keysight and Qualcomm. Let's go check it out. I'm in Qualcomm Building Q with Tony, one of our Keysight application engineers that works with Qualcomm in the 5G NR bring up. We have been working with Qualcomm since 2017 and achieved many great first-to-market milestones in this collaboration. So what makes this collaboration works?
I think the collaboration works is because both companies believe we're in a crucial partnership with each other. We both make sure that our technical roadmaps align so that we can bring our cutting-edge technologies together and commercialize them for the consumer.
What is the significance of this milestone?
Well, the enablement of NRDC allows us to achieve wireless data speeds of 10 gigabits per second. And that speed is faster than most wired broadband services.
We started 5G leveraging LTE EPC with non-standalone mode. And when 5G core is made available, standalone frequency range 1 service were deployed. Maximum data rate with FR1 reaches 2 gigabit per second per component carrier. Maximum data rate with FR2 reaches 6 gigabit per second with 800 MHz aggregated bandwidth. Typically, LTE carrier aggregation and FR2 aggregation are used to drive up to 8 gigabit per second data throughput. The breakthrough of 10 gigabit per second and beyond is made possible with new radio dual connectivity, aggregating FR1 and FR2 with higher order modulation of 256 QAM, reaching 10 gigabit per second data throughput. Since the number of FR1 and FR2 component carrier can grow, data throughput rates beyond 10 gigabit per second are possible and in the pipeline. Here we are in the Qualcomm Collaboration Labs, where we have a Keysight UXM 5G test system and a Qualcomm X65 mobile test platform inside the 2D MPEG millimeter wave chamber. We also have Felix here with us today in the lab. Felix, can you describe what we have here?
Hey, we have a dual UXM 5G setup here, and we also have the S8701A protocol R&D toolset today for the NRDC functional bring-up test. Let's have a look inside the chamber.
We have a Qualcomm MTP that's placed on a stationary holder with direct line of sight to the millimeter wave antenna horns, which will transmit 8 FR2 100 MHz component carriers in the downlink with 256 QAM maximum modulation coding scheme, while receiving an uplink from the device. On the FR1 anchor side, we have a direct RF conducted connection to 4 antennas that gives us a 4x4 MIMO link.
Now let's bring up the core connection and look at the world's first 10 gigabit per second data transfer with NRDC. What you have just witnessed is the world's first 10 gigabit per second data transfer over a 5G NRDC connection. This is another key milestone in mobile broadband communications achieved as a result of the close collaboration partnership between Keysight and Qualcomm. Thanks for watching.